Welcome back to the 40 channel. Today we're going to have a look at rebuilding the brake calipers from the front here. Now I have to apologise before we get into this video. As I was filming, I made a total rookie move and I wasn't watching the GoPro and I didn't check it. I just had it set up and as I was rebuilding, my GoPro's gone flat. So I've taken photos throughout the process as well, and hopefully with my video and the photos you'll get an idea of exactly what I've done, and hopefully it helps you guys out. Anyway, let's get into the rebuild. I've got a bit to learn about this 40. That's not good. Nope. Alright, this nut's been rounded off, so we've had to do extreme measures. Hopefully, there we go. There we go. 12 mil. 17 mil. As you can see, the dust seals are split here, and on this one here, well, they're completely perished at the front. So we'll refurbish all these, we'll strip this down, put new seals, new dust seals in it, and hopefully there's no damage to the pistons, but we'll have a look at that as we go. We'll just give a quick clean over the whole brake. Alright, so we're going to continue stripping down the brake caliper. We'll pull off all the circlips and the seals. It's fairly easy. This is the easy part.
Can I have a go?
Do you want to have a go at pulling those ones off?
Sure.
There you go.
Yeah.
Do you want to take your helmet off, or are you happy leave it on?
I'll leave it on.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yep. Be careful you don't... Yeah, that's it. This one here. That's it, pop it off. Easy done. So we're going to hold this barricade in place. We're going to use some compressed air to try to drive these cylinders out. Right, make sure you keep your fingers clear, because if you get your fingers caught in here, I can imagine it'll hurt a lot. Alright, so now we're at the point where we need to do some juggling. Pack it out, try and move the rest out. This one is being really stubborn. Another little spray, WD-40, just try to really loosen that piston up. Okay, let's move that out. Let's pull out our little supports. Go again, see how far we can get these out now. Righto, so this one just fired completely out. Now that's broken the seal, we need to push that back up and seal it in place. Alright, so this is where we get a little bit creative. So we want to get it just past that seal. You can just feel it past that seal. Okay, so we're just going to do that up just a fraction. Just so it doesn't pop out, it keeps that seal. And then we'll see which one pops out next. I'd say it'd be one of these two. Keep your fingers clear. Righto, so both these popped out. This one we know is loose. These ones we should be able to pull out with some mouldy grips. This one will come out fairly easy. This one might be a little bit of a challenge, but it should all come out pretty easy now. Alright, we're going to clamp onto this one. We do not want to clamp on the inner side here. We don't want to damage any of this. We don't want to damage any of this here. If we score this or damage this, it'll never seal and our brakes will never work. They'll fail every time. So one out. This one here might be a little bit trickier. Let's see how we go. Yeah, it's pretty stiff. Excellent. Righto, so now we just want to clean all this up. Make sure there's no damage on any of these pistons. Righto, so inside, so we've got our seals here. So we want to pop those seals out. Just going to use a scribe. Don't worry about damaging these seals because they're not going back in. Just pop them out. Pull straight out. Do the same to the rest. Let's clean up the pistons and inspect them. Make sure that they're okay. Righto, so all I've got here is a bronze wire wheel. So we want to try to be fairly careful, but it's pretty soft, so it won't do too any damage. Please be careful. This is not probably the best OH&S way of doing it. Take your time and be careful. I want to just clean up the piston really softly. Alright, so you can see that has cleaned up beautifully. So we'll do the other four and then we'll clean the inside of this out. Now again, we're just going to be pretty careful with the inside of this. We just want to clean this with a scour pad. Gives us the opportunity to clean on the inside of this. We can get in there and clean all this build up and crap. Brake cleaner. Want to really get in there and give it a good clean. You can see that slides in nicely. The small one, again, nice and smooth. So now we can put the seals in. New seal. What we want to do, push it into that groove. Make sure it doesn't twist. Okay, you can see the new seal inside, the piston, grease it up. Don't push it in all the way. Put a little bit of grease, make sure these are all clean. They have to be perfectly clean surfaces. Don't want any dirt or anything on the ends of these surfaces. Put a tiny bit of grease on both of these little O-rings. Alright, just get your seal, push it around the bottom lip here, and work it on all the way under the bottom lip. Get your snap ring, open up your snap ring, and just sit it together like that. Drop the bolts back in. Righto, so we've finished our calipers, full rebuild, new seals inside, new seals, new boots on the outside, new clips, cleaned all the rubbish from the inside. It's come up really, really good. Just going to give them a really good clean and try this stuff, I suppose, some caliper paint. I've just gone with silver. I wasn't keen on going any special colour. I just want it fairly standard looking. I probably should have sprayed it when I had it all separated before I put any seals or boots or anything in it. That way I could have masked off the whole lot and it would have been a lot easier to spray. But anyway, that's okay. I'll mask off this area and mask off the bottom and we'll paint it and see what it comes up like. Stoked how these came up. They've come up fantastic. So full brake caliper rebuild, new seals, new boots, all the pistons have been cleaned up, all the internals have been cleaned up, and a flash new paint job. So that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Appreciate your support. We've had some awesome rain, which I'm stoked about. That's been fantastic over the last few days. Rivers actually started to flow. Some places on the east coast have actually got flooded, but it's rain and we're desperate for it. So thanks for your prayers on that one. Anyway, subscribe, like, hit the bell, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.